Hey guys, in the last video we have discussed about how to take input in C++ by using the cin. In this video we will discuss about the operations in C++, basically the arithmetic operation in C++. So I will make a new file and write 5.cpp, and I will write a heading in single line comment. So // and operation in C++. Now I will write the basic code, which is hash include iostream using namespace std int main return 0. So in the basic body of C++, we have to write this code every time. So you can also just add this code in user snippet by creating a new snippet. So you don't need to write this code again and again. So I will first of all I will make a integer int a is equal to 10 and int b. So I will take input in b. Just I am using the cin to take input, and now I will do arithmetic operation like the addition. So I will write cout tion addition, and I will write, first of all I will make integer c, and I will type c is equal to a plus b. So basically c is equal to the a plus b, and in the last I will display c. So my code is ready and I am going to run it. So I know the integer a, which is equal to 10. I will give the value of c now. Let's take value of c. Let's take value of b as 2. So the addition of these two is equal to 12. Now you can also just add a plus b. You also don't need to write integer. Don't need to make a new integer c and just do it. You can just type a plus b, and when I will write 2, here's the addition is equal to 12. You can give input of any number. 89 plus 10 is equal to 99. So I can also set my integer b is equal to 5. Now I will do the another operation of subtraction. And in the subtraction you have to type a minus b. So a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, and the addition is equal to 15, and the subtraction is equal to 5. Now I will type endl. I have made two cursor by pressing control. So just press the control and click wherever you want. You can also do, and whatever you want to type you can type. I will type endl at the last. Endl. Now I will do another operation of multiplication. And the sign of multiplication is star. Now you can see the value 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Now the last operation is left of division. And you have to type this sign forward slash for division. And you can see the answer is 2. You can take any other value also, like 3, but of course you will not get the value in division in decimal, because you have created an integer. If you want to get the value in the decimal, so you can create this as float. When you will run it, division is equal to 3.333. Now here's a last task for you. Now here's a question for you all. Take input from the user, basically you are only the user, and do the following operation. What are the operation? Addition, subtraction, and then multiplication, and in the last, division. So you have to take the input from the user and do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. You can also do this with double also. You can also create double and run it. I am getting the same value, but of course you cannot do this with char or boolean type, because char is a character and boolean is true and false. So thanks for watching.